Hey Breck, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, it is a nice looking site. I like the format of everything. These click to call buttons are really good for your conversions. That is super helpful. One thing that I would recommend here would be to add some content to your homepage. The reason is that Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're seeing what content is on here, what your photos are saved as, seeing what keywords are there. And you want at least 1,500 words on this homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And so let's take a look at an example of a keyword. Foundation repair Fort Worth. And so when your customers are searching for this here, the first thing that is popping up are some ads. But if you scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And I see that you guys are ranking, so that is really good because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way to maintain this is making sure that you keep up with citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. So you want to have more citations than your competition, and then a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page here because 90% of people stay on this first page. And you want to be up as high as you can. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword, GL Hunt. If we look through their website, they have good call to actions as well with the form and some click to calls. It'd be really easy to outdo them with content though. But let's take a look at the back end of each one. So I have GL Hunt plugged in here to Ahrefs. We're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 78 and 44. And that's coming from their just over 14,000 backlinks that they have. And those backlinks are coming from their 3.54 thousand referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to know that there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will lower them. So you do want to be intentional whenever you are choosing backlinks. And GL Hunt, they have 347 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. I have your URL plugged into Ahrefs, and you'll have 6 and 0.2. And what's making up your ratings here are the 108 backlinks that you have, and those are coming from 12 referring domains. And you all have 9 keywords on your website. And so what you want to do is you want to have these numbers here higher than your competitors for all the keywords that you're trying to be found for. And the way that you would do that is get those high quality backlinks. And then you want more buyer intent keywords on your website so that you are being found for what you want to be found for. Back over on the GL Hunt here, one way that you can get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. And so what you would do is you would go into these backlinks that GL Hunt has here, and then you would link them to your website as well. Because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of the keywords that they have. So they have these keywords on their website and they are ranking for them. So here's where some of their traffic is coming from. Fort Worth foundation repair. 600 people are searching for this every single month. Foundation repair in Fort Worth, 600. Fort Worth, Texas, 100, 100. 90, 100, 100. And so this list just keeps going. And there are multiple pages here for him. So in order for you to get some more of this traffic for yourself, you'd want to make sure that your Google Business Profile is ranking for all the keywords that you want to be ranking for. You were for the one I pulled up there. And then as well, you want to make sure that your website is ranking as high up on the first page for all of the keywords as well. So you want to add some more of those high quality backlinks so that you're boosting your authority and your trustworthiness and having more content and keywords on your website. And so I hope that this video was valuable for you. If you'll give me a call, I'd love to know if it was helpful, and I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.